The ruling party ZANU-PF has deployed members of the Forever Associates Zimbabwe Faz group ahead of tomorrow Sabc elections in Harare East and Mount Pleasant. Zvachizoenda muri Zimbabwe noti Faz yochitumwa ava kunoriga ma-elections ari kuitwa muzuva ranhasi kuMount Pleasant and Harare East. Sapinda mashoko aya nokuti bva wasubscribe wolike utina on the bell icon. Muzimu aya anonyora achiti the group was in the vortex of a storm during the country's harmonious elections in August last year after setting up exit polls days outside polling stations where they quizzed voters who and which party they had voted for. At the time, the ruling party was a version and never openly associated with the political outfit. The two constituencies fell vacant when Faz Yopisa and Rusty Makam resigned from the parliament in solidarity with their former Citizen Coalition for Change leader Nelson Chamisa after he quit the party in a half-citing infiltration by the ruling party. ZANU-PF has revealed that it had deployed Faz and Heritage Trust members at each polling station to secure victory in the by-elections. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda muzimba zvinzi awa ZANU-PF yakuda kutohwina sezvayangoita last year pama-general elections apo aiwa vanhu veFaz vaisa matables avo vachiinsauta vanhu vachiita kuti mavhotera ani uye mavhotera kupi ndo zvakuda kuita ma-by-elections ekuMount Pleasant neGwarara East. Muri Zimbabwe tudze mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pemashoko aya. Pinai mucomment section medu sanga no subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.